fiddle jammers. Now, maybe you're not a fiddle jammer yet. I'm going to share a quick story with you. About 10 years after high school, one of my main teachers when I was a senior in high school that prepared me for college auditions and stuff was Charlie Haupt. He was the concertmaster of the Buffalo Philharmonic in Buffalo, New York. And about 10 years after that, I was in the band Gamelan, and we were kicking butt pretty good. We were in the Billboard charts, and then played the Newport Jazz Fest and that kind of thing. And he came out to one of our gigs. It's kind of neat to have your teacher come out, one of your teachers. Charlie wasn't my main teacher. Dennis Piwarski was. He's in the Nashville Symphony. But Charlie came out, and one of the things he said, I'll never forget, he said, "I want to be hip like you guys." Now, here's a guy who was an astoundingly good fiddler, a violinist. And yet he didn't have what we had. He didn't even come close. He was just dreaming of, I wish he could get off the page and wish he could do something cool like we were doing. So maybe you're one of these people. Maybe you're classically trained and you didn't know what to do with it. Maybe you read off the page and got pretty good. Maybe you went to college for it. And then after that, you either taught or played weddings or had nothing to do after that. There's nothing. If you didn't get that symphony gig, you're kind of done with when you're trained that way, right? Just if you don't get that's all there is. Maybe you're never classically trained. Maybe you're just a bluegrass fiddler who learned a bunch of tunes and don't know how to get away from that. You can only play them right. So, hopefully you get them right, and that's all you got. And you're going, there's got to be more. And I see people jamming, having a good time, and maybe I need to dig deeper and somehow know how to learn the stuff to have a better time. I'd like to be able to show up to a picking party and not have to know the songs. Maybe just chop in the background and do some tatering, and be able to make that stuff up like I see some people do. I can teach you that stuff. Maybe you're kind of a wish you had always played, or maybe you used to play in school and wish you'd never given it up, and here you are as an adult and want to restart. You're welcome at the Fiddle Jam Institute too. I can help you with all these things. So, I got this huge sale going on. It's 2 more days left only of it. It's going away. I'm offering almost everything I got in the school store at the Fiddle Jam Institute. It's a lifetime membership, which is usually like $425. I'm offering a lifetime membership, access to all 3 courses which I've produced in the past few years. One is Fiddle Jam 101, one is Music Mechanics 101, and the other one is the Blues Violin course, which was a pretty good success last year. And also the 2 books that I produced. The Fiddle Jam, Way Cool, Easy Way to Learn How to Improvise book, of course, it's been out with Hal Leonard for 17 years or something like that now. And the follow-up book, the Rock and Blues Fiddle Jam Etudes. I'm giving you this whole package for only $199. All right, so this is your shot. If you want to get in, I can help you with those problems. If you're a classical fiddler that's frustrated, wants to get off the page, learn how to do it, and learn how to jam a little bit, learn how to loosen up, that's cool. All right. Now, you don't have to be a rock and roll fiddler or blues or jazz guy like I do. You can just learn to improvise within the classical realm. Even if you're on a wedding gig and you need to kind of fill in some stuff while the bride is waiting, or something, you can do it. I can teach you how to be creative. You can teach yourself with my guidance, is what it is. I teach you how to bring it in from inside out, all right, with a little bit of knowledge about the mechanics of music. So all these courses I'm offering and stuff is a great package. If you want to get in, this is it. This is going away on Sunday the 15th, I think it goes away. So we got a couple more days. Today's the 13th. If you want in, come on in, get in. There's also other stuff if $199 is too much for you, there's other stuff in the store as well. You can buy one of those items. There's other things on sale. You can check it out. You can get a membership for $29.95 a month. It's only less than $30. You can have access to the whole library. Not all the courses, but at least the whole library. There's a couple hundred lessons in there. Maybe there's something for you. So anyways, if you want to learn to be looser and jammer and be more creative on your fiddle and loosen up and be able to sit in any situation with a group, in a party, on a gig, learn how to electrify, the Fiddle Jam Institute is the place for you. So consider it. This is a great sale. It's $1,000 for this stuff for only $199, and I'd love to see you in there and be participating with others. So come on in. By the way, that was the blues scale stuff, and I can teach you that.